Hi, Martin Baker here at the Berkhamsted project with Rob Page, now showing you the second of the rooms, an endless pool room that's linked with this canopy and grillo kitchen. Come inside and see what's going on in here. Really rare, not one I've been able to show you before, but this is an electric cover version installed with our good friends at Chiswell Leisure, Chiswell Pools in Chiswell. Thank you so much. So look at this, electric cover. What a tidy way.
Yeah, it's a great upgrade that over the manual cover, definitely.
Yeah,
definitely worth thinking about.
Yeah, this is the first time I've ever seen this, and actually it gives me the opportunity to show you an endless pool in a normal way. So if you come inside with that cover now in, let's turn that off. Come inside with that cover now in, you get to see the endless pool, 14x7 elite pool, performance pool.
Performance pool, yeah.
And with the remote, you turn that on, and what that allows is it's like a treadmill. So you don't move, the water does. And you've got the water there flowing at quite a fast rate. Our clients are fairly good swimmer by the looks of things. And you don't move, you just stay in here, change the settings. There's a speed over there, how long it takes to swim every 100 meters. And it's just a really great indoor exercise pool. You can keep it at 30 degrees all year round. So it's something I'd really, really recommend. Inside this building, we've got that dark colour drain pipe. Quite late on, the client decided to do this after seeing another one. I've got to say, I really like it.
Yeah, it's really good. I mean, the dark colour makes the pool look even more impressive.
It does.
Also, just to mention that originally this client had white on the inside of these UPVC windows.
Yes.
Which really didn't work against the walls.
No.
So a company then came in and did some additional kind of colour matching and painting of those windows, which looks amazing.
It does. You wouldn't even tell the difference, would you?
Yeah.
So whilst the doors, as Rob says, whilst the doors would have had the 70116 and out, the windows actually would have had this white frame. So this was originally white, didn't work with this dark colour. So as Rob said, I mean, what a great little upgrade. So we reached out to a company that we know that does this, and they've done it perfectly well. Also got a bit of a gym area over there, lovely punch of colour linking in with the outside. The UK brand called Watson have designed this lovely changing area here, and there's actually a bench over here as well. It's actually used to get in and out of the pool. So I really love this wet room laminate, classic oak grey. New sides of the pool just works really well. You've got your expel airs up there, and the LED lighting. This is wet leisure ready, this building, so we change the interiors, don't we?
Yes, that's right. Yeah, we change it so the materials are all ready for this humid environment that the pool creates.
Yeah. So people do worry about that, but we've got that expertise to know. All of this is an exterior product, so it can splash, the water can run down that back into the pit, and then it's actually got some airflow in that pit to drain out. So yeah, I think it's really nice. Are we able to show just from the outside, Rob, what this looks like? So this building is, what's the size of this one? It's the same as the
same as 7.5 by 4 meters. Yeah,
7.5 by 4 meters. Lots of space here. That gym area, you've got the bulldog weights and everything, and actually a little bench that the client put up there as well. And what a great space, linking perfectly in height with the other classroom. Because of the pool room, we didn't do any roof lights. It doesn't make any sense to do so because you just get a lot of condensation. But you can see that, again, matching with the fascia being plain, the MTX in the V100, the aluminium sliding doors, the low E glass. Just a lovely project. And then I think it was a 4 meter canopy, Rob, is that right?
That's right, yes. Yeah. It's quite one of our larger ones, this one.
Yeah, so a 4 meter canopy, some big steel beams we've got into this to make this happen, big steel posts down there. Just what a lovely project. So there you are, that's our final video on, this is one of 3 that we've done, about the outsides, and the Grillo kitchen is our first one. Second one is about the family room and classroom, and our final one on that fantastic endless pool that's been installed here today. So I really hope this project is inspiring, lets you know how far bakers can go, the feeling of quality in this, and the companies we've worked with. I'm super proud of it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to our YouTube channels, and let us know your thoughts on this project. I'm going to come back in the winter and take some night shots of this. I bet you it's going to be stunning, so stay tuned for that. Thank you.